Here are the assembly instructions for the 3152. You will need two 2/2-inch socket wrenches. First, open the base box, which is the smaller of the two boxes, and set the base on the floor. Unwrap the cylinder from the plastic bag. Use half of the grease packet located in the cylinder bag and place a line of grease around the taper of the cylinder. Insert the cylinder into the base. Place another line of grease approximately 1/2 inch from the top of the cylinder. Assembling the seat. Open the chair box. This is the larger of the two boxes. Take out the seat back and seat bottom and remove the plastic. Take the seat bottom, place it on a table, cushion side down. Unscrew the two thumb screws and set them aside to be used later. Unscrew the 4 bolts and 8 washers, set them aside. We will need these later. With the top half of the chair upside down, slide the J-bar into the seat bottom slot. Line up the 4 holes on the J-bar and place the washers and screws back into place. Take the 2 1/2-inch wrenches and tighten the bolts. Open the armrest box. Turn the armrest upside down and slide the armrest into the armrest slot. For C-loops, the closed section should go to the front of the chair. For swing arms, make sure that the arms swing to the back. Tighten armrest thumb screws back into place. For the second armrest, you may need to take the chair off the table and place it on the floor. If your thumb screw becomes uneven, stop. Remove the thumb screw and start over. Slide the cylinder into the hole at the bottom of the chair. Tilt chair upright and test all adjustments. Now that you have your chair together, enjoy it. If you do, let us know.